National Bird Day, observed annually on January 5th, is a day dedicated to raising awareness about the welfare, protection, and conservation of birds. It highlights the importance of preserving avian species and their natural habitats while promoting responsible bird care and appreciation. Origin and history creation of National Bird Day. National Bird Day was established in 2002 by the Avian Welfare Coalition in the United States. It aligns with the end of the annual Christmas bird count, a citizen science event conducted by the National Audubon Society, and the beginning of the year-long birdwatching calendar purpose. The day aims to celebrate the beauty and diversity of birds, advocate for their protection, and educate the public about threats facing bird populations. Significant celebration of avian diversity. With over 10,000 bird species worldwide, National Bird Day acknowledges the incredible variety of birds and their unique roles in ecosystems conservation awareness. The day draws attention to declining bird populations due to habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and illegal wildlife trade. It emphasizes the importance of conservation efforts to protect endangered and vulnerable species avian welfare. National Bird Day advocates against the capture and caging of wild birds for the pet trade, promoting ethical and responsible bird ownership. It raises awareness about the needs of captive birds and encourages their proper care. Themes and goals protecting habitats. Promoting the preservation and restoration of forests, wetlands, and other ecosystems critical for bird survival, advocating for wildlife laws, supporting laws and initiatives that safeguard bird species from poaching, trafficking, and exploitation, educating the public, encouraging birdwatching, environmental education, and awareness about bird species and their behaviors, how birds benefit ecosystems, pollination, and seed dispersal. Birds like hummingbirds and finches help pollinate plants and disperse seeds, aiding in forest regeneration and biodiversity pest control. Insectivorous birds like swallows and woodpeckers play a crucial role in controlling pest populations, indicators of ecosystem health. Bird populations reflect the overall health of ecosystems. Their decline often signals environmental issues. How National Bird Day is celebrated birdwatching. Many enthusiasts use the day to observe and photograph birds in their natural habitats. Local parks and wildlife reserves often host birdwatching events and guided tours educational programs. Schools, zoos, and conservation organizations organize workshops, seminars, and exhibitions about bird species, their importance, and the challenges they face. Habitat restoration, activities like planting native trees, creating bird-friendly gardens, and cleaning up wetlands are encouraged advocacy campaigns. NGOs and wildlife groups launch campaigns to raise awareness about bird conservation and welfare. Social media platforms are used to share facts, images, and stories about birds using hashtags like Go National Bird Day Art and cultural celebrations. Artists and writers create works inspired by birds, celebrating their beauty and symbolism in various cultures. Bird conservation challenges habitat loss. Urbanization, deforestation, and agriculture lead to shrinking habitats for many bird species. Climate change. Rising temperatures and altered weather patterns disrupt migration, breeding, and food availability. Pollution. Pesticides, plastics, and other pollutants poison birds and their habitats. Illegal wildlife trade. Many birds are captured and sold as exotic pets, often in inhumane conditions, collisions, and predation. Millions of birds die each year due to collisions with windows, vehicles, and other structures. Domestic cats are also significant predators. Endangered birds and success stories. Notable. Endangered species. California condor. One of the rarest birds in the world saved from near extinction through captive breeding programs. Kakapo. A critically endangered flightless parrot native to New Zealand, with active conservation efforts underway. Conservation success. Species like the bald eagle in the United States have rebounded from near extinction thanks to dedicated efforts to ban harmful pesticides and protect habitats. How you can help create bird-friendly spaces. Set up bird feeders, baths, and nesting boxes in your garden. Plant native trees and shrubs to provide food and shelter for local bird species. Reduce threats. Install window decals to prevent bird collisions. Keep cats indoors or supervise them outdoors. Support conservation. Donate to or volunteer with organizations working to protect birds and their habitats. Participate in bird counts and citizen science projects. Educate others. Share knowledge about the importance of birds and how to protect them, advocate for policy changes. Support legislation that promotes habitat conservation and regulates the pet trade. Why it matters. National Bird Day reminds us of the vital role birds play in maintaining ecological balance and the interconnectedness of all life. By celebrating and protecting birds, we contribute to preserving the natural world for future generations.